It has increased dearness allowance by 5% of central government employees and pensioners. It will benefit nearly 50 lakh central government employees and 65 lakhs, 50 lakh central government employees and 65 lakh central government pensioners. It will entail upon nearly 16,000 crore rupees. And this is the highest in a way, 5% rise in one go. And more importantly, on the eve of Diwali, this will be paid from July 2019. And this will bring cheers to the working classes because central government is achieving many milestones in various sectors, and it is the contribution of central government employees to all these achievements, and therefore this decision was taken. Second decision is historically important for Kashmir and Jammu Kashmir region. In Jammu Kashmir, there were three types of displaced families came. First lot came after 47, immediately after partition. The second came after after Kashmir's assimilation in India, accession to India. And after that, from POK, families came. But some of the families, 5,300 families, came from POK but settled in other states other than Jammu and Kashmir. And therefore, the package which was announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2016 to give 5,50,000 rupees per family as a resettlement package was not granted to these 5,300 families because they were categorized separately by earlier regimes. Today we have done justice to them. Today we have removed that injustice. And now all these 5,300 families will also get 5,50,000 each family. And this is historical wrong being corrected. And therefore, this is also very important, and I am very sure whole Jammu and Kashmir region will be happy with this decision. In a third decision for millions of farmers, after finding out that there is some difficulties in some states for seeding of Aadhaar account for their applications, we have extended the Aadhaar seeding limit up to 30th November. And therefore, millions, because of non-seeding, who were not getting this 6,000 Prime Minister Kisan Samman, will get. Because this is on the eve of Rabi season, they get timely assistance. Because this is unique scheme where 14 crore farmers are getting 87,000 crore rupees. And already more than 7 crore farmers have got it. The only two states which have not joined this scheme or which have not submitted their details are West Bengal and Delhi. So, farmers from all over the country are benefiting, but farmers from West Bengal and Delhi are deprived. So, this is one important decision for farmers. And in the last important decision is that the progress in National Health Mission was reported to the Cabinet today, and we are happy to announce that the Sustainable Development Goals set by India for itself to be achieved by 2030 we will achieve much early. Because maternal mortality rate, infant mortality rate, under 5 mortality rate have come down with more fast pace. Malaria, we were among the 10 countries which had more infections of malaria, but the National Health Mission implemented throughout the country has resulted, and the malaria incidences has declined to a large extent. And World Health Organization has also appreciated India's efforts in removing malaria from its country. And ASHA workers, 10 lakh ASHA workers who are the main change agents are also rewarded. The Mandhan, which has been increased by double from 1,000 to 2,000, and they will get additional facilities also. At the same time, the community participation, the committees are existing in 5 lakh plus villages, and they are working good and achieving these results. Vaccination is more. There are 21,000 wellness centers and over 40,000 will be established this year. And more than 31 lakh patients have taken health services through hospital during this in Ayushman Bharat. Again in Ayushman Bharat, the whole country's poor are benefited, but only 2 states have not participated. They are West Bengal and Delhi. So, poor sections from West Bengal or Delhi don't get benefit of Ayushman Bharat. But I'm sure ultimately states will relent and submit the necessary information and will join the scheme. That's all from my side.
धन्यवाद सर. I think कुछ क्वेश्चन हम ले सकते हैं. Yes, please.
Sir, you said that the farmers whose account have not been seeded by 30th November, they will get the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi. Some of the farmers have already get second installment. So
Some have got third installment
third
also.
installment. So this means all the 3 installment will be
All the
given-
3 installments.
All 3.
Nee, there is a bylaw when they join, they get the next installment.
Okay.
Yes.
Wait, just one
मुझे
minute,
लगा आपके सवाल आज
please. Yeah.
समाप्त हुए.
Yes, please.
सर